Portable charger comparison, capacity versus weight. Title: Portable charger comparison, capacity versus weight. Introduction. In today's fast-paced world, the need to stay connected is more important than ever. Whether for work or leisure, the reliance on smartphones and other portable devices has significantly increased. However, the limited battery life of these devices often poses a challenge when we are on the go. This is where portable chargers come to the rescue. With a wide range of options available in the market. One crucial factor to consider when choosing a portable charger is the trade-off between capacity and weight. Capacity. Portable chargers come with various capacities, measured in milliampere-hour (mAh). Capacity determines how much charge a portable charger can hold and, subsequently, how many times it can recharge a device. It is important to consider the capacity of a charger based on your specific requirements. If you frequently use power-intensive apps or multiple devices, a high-capacity charger might be ideal, as it allows for more recharges before needing to be charged itself. However, higher capacity often leads to an increase in size and weight, which might not be favorable for those seeking a more compact and lightweight option. Weight. The weight of a portable charger is an essential consideration, particularly for individuals who are always on the move or looking for a convenient option for traveling. Heavy chargers can be cumbers to carry around, especially when combined with other daily essentials. Conversely, lightweight chargers offer greater portability and ease of use. Finding the right balance. To strike the perfect balance between capacity and weight when choosing a portable charger, it is important to assess your charging needs and lifestyle. If you are a frequent traveler or prefer a weight option, a smaller charger with a lower capacity might be sufficient. These chargers can easily fit into pockets or small bags, ensuring convenience without compromising on portability. However, it is important to note that a smaller capacity charger might not provide several full charges for power-hungry devices. On the other hand, if you heavily rely on your devices throughout the day, an ultra-high capacity charger might be the ideal choice. Though slightly more cumbersome to carry, these chargers can provide the multiple recharges without needing to be replenished themselves. They are perfect for extended outdoor activities, long flights, or situations where a power outlet may not be readily available. Furthermore, advancements in charging technology have led to the development of more efficient and compact chargers. Some models now offer high capacities while maintaining a relatively lightweight design. These chargers strike a balance between capacity and weight, making them a popular choice among users seeking versatility in various contexts. Other considerations. In addition to capacity and weight, other factors should be taken into account when comparing portable chargers. These include charging speed, number of ports, compatibility with a range of devices, and safety features. Some chargers support fast charging or have multiple ports, allowing you to charge multiple devices simultaneously. Moreover, compatibility with a wide range of devices is crucial, as it ensures you can charge not only smartphones but also tablets, laptops, and other portable gadgets. The safety of the charger is of utmost importance to prevent any damage to your devices. Look out for chargers with built-in protection mechanisms such as overcharging, overvoltage, and short circuit. Protection. The importance of staying connected in today's fast-paced world cannot be overstated. We rely on our smartphones and other portable devices for work and leisure, but their limited battery life often poses a challenge when we are on the move. That's where portable chargers come in. With so many options available, one crucial factor to consider is the trade-off between capacity and weight. In this article, we will explore the significance of capacity versus weight when selecting a portable charger and offer some key considerations for making the best choice based on individual needs. Capacity is a crucial factor when it comes to portable chargers. It is measured in milliampere hours, mAh, and determines how much charge a portable charger can hold. A higher capacity allows for more recharges before needing to be charged itself. If you frequently use power-intensive apps or have multiple devices, a high-capacity charger might be ideal. However, it's important to note that high capacity often means a larger and heavier charger, which may not be favorable for those seeking a more compact and lightweight option. Weight is another essential consideration, especially for individuals who are always on the move or looking for a convenient option for traveling. Heavy chargers can be cumbersome to carry, especially when combined with other daily essentials. On the other hand, lightweight chargers offer greater portability and ease of use. To strike the perfect balance between capacity and weight, it's crucial to assess your charging needs and lifestyle. If you travel frequently or prefer a lightweight option, a smaller charger with a lower capacity might be sufficient. These chargers can easily fit into pockets or small bags, ensuring convenience without compromising on portability. However, keep in mind that a smaller capacity charger might not provide multiple full charges for power-hungry devices. For those who heavily rely on their devices throughout the day, an ultra-high capacity charger might be the ideal choice. While slightly more cumbersome to carry, these chargers can provide multiple recharges without needing to be replenished themselves. They are perfect for extended outdoor activities, long flights, or situations where a power outlet may not be readily available. Advancements in charging technology have led to the development of more efficient and compact chargers. Some models now offer high capacities while maintaining a relatively lightweight design. These chargers strike a balance between capacity and weight, making them a popular choice among users seeking versatility in various contexts. In addition to capacity and weight,